Okay, Robert. So I'm at the screen-cast-o-matic website and I'm already logged in. So you'd have to log in. You can start by just using the free recorder if you want, and then upgrading to a plan. So you could just start recording for free. Let's see, we'll try that. Launch the free recorder, hit allow. I have a Mac, so it might look a little bit different on an on a PC. So it's launching the recorder now. And it's opening up. I just saw an icon appear up here, and here's the menu down here. So there's a dashed line around the screen, and I can adjust that if I want. So I can adjust what area of the screen I want to actually record. I usually do the whole screen, which is sort of the default. And stretch that up there. And I'm going to open a PowerPoint. That's what I want to film. So here's my PowerPoint, and I'll get to the slide I want to start, and I'll go into presentation, and I'll move so I want my face in it as well as the screen. So here's my face recording. So I'm going to put that somewhere on the slide where it fits and doesn't block text. So I'm going to put it up here in the right hand corner, and you can see that I'm filming this on my phone, so it's a little awkward. And then all you do is hit record. And now it gives you a countdown and it is recording. So anything I say and do, I can go through my animations in my PowerPoint. I'm just clicking the arrow key on my keyboard and it's recording the sound. It's recording this video up here. All of this is being recorded. And then yesterday, I think I found a tool. There's a little pencil down here in the corner if you scroll over. So I could actually, I think I can actually use a pen, and I could actually even like write on here if I wanted to. And that would also be recorded. So you just keep going. And then when you are done, you hit the red pause button here, and it stops. And then you have the opportunity, if you don't like the recording, you can trash it, but if you like it, then you save it. You just hit done, and you can do either, you can save it, you can edit it. I've never edited it, but I guess you can cut things out and you can add text and like captions and stuff. I don't get that fancy. I just hit save and upload. And then you have a couple of options. You can save it as a video file to your computer, or you can upload it directly to a screen-cast-o-matic, or you could upload it directly to a YouTube channel. I usually save the file because I feel like that's more secure, and then I upload it to YouTube later. I'm going to save this one to screen-cast-o-matic, which is another option, and that's how I'm going to share it with you. It takes a few minutes. The longer the video, the longer it takes. And that's all.